Good morning, Orchard Hollow Huskies. This is Mrs. Harris with your morning announcements. Today is Wednesday, December 3rd, 2020. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now we will say the Orchard Hollow Best Pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow. There are no birthdays today, but we do have our joke of the day. What do you say to a rabbit on its birthday? Happy birthday! Remember, we are back on our fully remote schedule today. 8:45 to 9:15 will be your morning meeting. 9:15 to 10:45 will be your literacy block. 10:45 to 11 will be your snack break. 11 to 12:30 is your math block. 12:30 to 1:15 is your lunch break, and 1:15 to 1:45 is social studies, science, or writing, and 1:45 to 2 p.m. is closing meeting. Make it a great day, Huskies.